this park here is part of the Kaurna land, and this was a really special place because of how Kaurna would use this area here to camp on. But it was a pathway going through to other places like Morialta and down towards Adelaide over to Thorndon Park. Yeah, I'm out here today with school children out here, and we're out planting up at Wadmore Park, giving Aboriginal children a chance to interact with elders as well and learn about country. Maybe it's not even the place that their family comes from, but it doesn't matter. It's all Aboriginal land, and we're all Aboriginal people too. So yeah, great day out here for education. If you want to learn about Aboriginal history and walk on country and look after the environment we live in. Do you want to see a koala first?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go down here a little bit and have a look at the koala first, and then we'll go back this way.
We're here today for NAIDOC Week 2025, a beautiful partnership that came together with Council's Reconciliation Advisory Committee, Charles Campbell College, our biodiversity team, and also Conservation Volunteers Australia. We were looking to do a NAIDOC project with local students this year, and we knew that there was a project called Rewilding Fifth Creek. So it was a beautiful partnership to come together, do a cultural walk on country with local elders, do some planting to help rewilding Fifth Creek, and also enjoy some traditional foods on the campfire afterwards to reflect on this part of Campbelltown on Fifth Creek is one of the most spectacular parts of Kaurna country you'll find. For students to be able to get their hands in the dirt, help restore country again, inviting biodiversity back whilst also learning and sharing with elders. So it's just a project we're really excited about.
What did you enjoy about today?
Building the trees today.
And why do you think building the trees, why do you think doing that is important?
To help the nature and breathe better.